Castor oil is extracted from seeds of the castor oil plant. It is colorless to very pale yellow in color with an unpleasant odor. This oil has traditionally been used topically for skin and hair benefits. Today, the cosmetic industry uses castor oil as a main ingredient in many beauty care products. Here are 6 amazing things castor oil can do. 1. Safe, natural laxative. One of the primary uses of castor oil is as a laxative. It is still used widely as a part of conventional and folk medicine. Ricinoleic acid present in castor oil is what induces laxation. If you feel constipated, take 1 tablespoon of castor oil mixed with a half lemon juice. Unlike other laxatives that act in the colon, the action of castor oil starts in the small intestine. You can expect a complete clean out of the bowels within 2 to 4 hours of taking the oil. 2. Nourishes dry skin. Castor oil works great as a moisturizer for dry skin, as it penetrates deep into the skin. It is effective at treating dry skin, flaky skin patches. The high concentration of fatty acid also promotes healthy and glowing skin and helps with skin conditions like dermatitis, which can cause severely rough, dry skin. Also, this oil promotes the production of elastin and collagen, which help delay the appearance of aging signs and keeps your skin looking youthful. Massage your skin with castor oil for up to 10 minutes and then rinse off. 3. Promotes hair growth. Apart from skin, castor oil is also good for your hair. It helps deep condition and thicken the hair strands to give you a beautiful and shiny head of thick hair. The ricinoleic acid in it helps balance the scalp's pH level. This reduces the risk of dandruff, split ends, and hair breakage. Massage warm castor oil into the roots, scalp of the hair for 15 minutes before going to shower. Do it twice a week. 4. Fades blemishes. Castor oil is often used for fading blemishes and scars. The results won't be visible overnight. It works slowly in this regard and needs to be used regularly to see prominent results. Once again, the fatty acids present in castor oil come to the rescue. They penetrate deep into the scar tissue and plump it out while encouraging the growth of healthy tissues around it. This helps the blemishes fade away. 5. Reduces joint pain, arthritis. Take the piece of fabric and fold it into squares. Soak it in castor oil. Squeeze out excess oil and place the cloth on the affected joint. Take care to cover it with a plastic wrap. Place a hot water bottle or heating pad on this. The plastic will save the bottle from getting oily. Leave it on for an hour. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it ideal for relieving joint pain, nerve inflammation, and sore muscles. 6. Boosts immunity. Naturopathy practitioners and followers observe that castor oil helps boost immunity. Even when it's used topically, it increases the defense mechanisms of your body.